Hello and welcome to Synder Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how Synder integrates your PIN payments with Xero accounting, records your PIN payments data, and makes reconciliation in Xero quick and painless. To start working with the integration, create your account on the synderapp.com sign-up page and log into your account. Now you need to connect your Xero company by clicking Connect to Xero and giving Synder authorization to manage data in your accounting company. On the next step, select PIN payments in the drop-down. To connect your PIN payments, you will need to provide the name of your business and the secret Live API key. To provide the latter, click this Live API key link. Make sure you copy the Live Secret API key on the PIN payments page, go back to Synder, and paste it to the corresponding field. Now click Connect to proceed. This one-click setup form shows you the standard setup 80% of our users go with. You can tweak the most important parameters in here and click I'm OK to start instead of going step by step adjusting all settings one by one. You can always access advanced settings later if needed. The most important things to know about these settings are all of your sales and fees transactions will be stored in one place called PIN Payments Bank Account in your Xero. And from this dummy or clearing account, Synder will record transfers to your checking bank account the same way PIN Payments pays out money to your actual bank. Here is the place to select your checking account so that the payouts are recorded properly and you can reconcile synchronized transactions easily. As well, you are to enable taxes for fees and set them to 10%, as this is the tax rate included into the transactions processing fee. Now it will be recorded in your Xero properly. After you click I'm OK to start to proceed, you see 10 latest transactions that Synder imported from your PIN payments to test synchronization in action. It's always a good idea to sync 2 or 3 transactions first, check the results in Xero, and adjust some settings if needed before allowing any integration to manage data in your books automatically. You can see one transaction which says synced. This status means that this transaction was created in your Xero by default. To sync several more transactions, select them in the list by checking the boxes near them and click the Bulk Actions Sync button. Various actions are available there. Select Sync to record data in your Xero. Now click Show Details near the green Sync status to see the detailed sync log. All objects created in your Xero company during the sync will be listed there. If you click Object Links here, you will see that Synder creates a Receive Money or invoice and payment transaction for the gross amount paid by a customer, and a spend money transaction for the PIN payments fees or surcharge. Thus, your books are balanced and have all information associated with the sale recorded properly with customer and item details. Now, as you know how your transactions are synchronized to Xero, let's see how to reconcile synchronized data in your books. Synder helps you reconcile your books in no time, replicating the real-life money flow in your Xero company. It creates a clearing or dummy account mentioned previously in your Xero for storing the list of all of your PIN payments transactions there. And as soon as PIN payments pays money out to your bank, Synder records a transfer for the same amount to your checking bank account in Xero, helping you reconcile it. So you reconcile your PIN payments income in the checking account and have all details about customer payments stored in the clearing account. If you open transactions list of the PIN Payments bank account, you will see all of the transactions created by Synder with the unreconciled status. And if you go to the Reconcile tab, you will see no bank feed there, which may lead you to a question, how do I reconcile these transactions? The answer is simple. You just need to mark them all as reconciled directly in Xero, as you reconcile them against your actual PIN payments data, which were used by Synder to create this record for you. To do so, open a transaction and select Mark as Reconciled. Do this for all of the transactions in the list, opening them one by one until all are showing with the reconciled status. In order not to do so manually, you can have Synder do this for you automatically. Just go to Synder, click this gear icon to open Advanced Settings, and on the General tab, enable the feature called Auto Reconcile Xero Transactions. Note that once your transactions are marked as reconciled, Xero will not allow you to undo the synchronization from Synder side. This is what the warning is about. Click Update to save the settings, and remember to do so every time you change the Synder setup. Having a clearing account reconciliation explained, let's take a look at how to reconcile your PIN payments income in your checking account. As you can see, in your PIN payments account, you have income transactions for your sales and expense transactions for PIN payments fees. However, you can also see a bank transfer, which represents the actual money PIN payments transferred to your real bank. So now you can reconcile this PIN payments income in the Xero checking account. Open the bank feed of your checking account and see how this outstanding transaction is highlighted green. For Xero asks you to confirm that the corresponding record was found in your books, ready to be matched, and you do not need to create it manually. So just click OK, as Synder did the job for you. In short, once you enable the auto reconciliation feature in Synder, the only thing you would need to do manually is to click OK in the bank feed of your checking account on all of the PIN payments lines, and that's it. All the income transactions, refunds, fees will be accounted for by Synder. Once you confirm that everything looks good on your Xero side, make sure the auto-sync option is on in Synder settings to allow the app automatically synchronize data from PIN payments to Xero and enjoy the results.